In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear undeposited funds in QuickBooks. If you have payments sitting in undeposited funds and you want to clear them properly, the key is to record a bank deposit that matches what actually happened in your real bank account. This is important because undeposited funds is designed to temporarily hold customer payments before they're grouped into a deposit. If those payments stay there too long, your books can become confusing and your bank balance may not line up as expected. To get started, go to the upper left corner of QuickBooks and click the plus New button. From there, select Bank Deposit under the Other section. This opens the Bank Deposit screen where you'll tell QuickBooks exactly how that money was deposited in real life. Next, use the Account drop-down menu to choose the bank account where the money was actually deposited. Make sure you select the correct account, especially if you have more than one bank account connected to your company file. Choosing the right account helps keep your records accurate and makes reconciliation much easier later. After that, enter the date the funds actually cleared in your real-life bank account. This part matters because the deposit date in QuickBooks should reflect the timing shown on your bank statement, not just the date you're entering it today. Matching that date helps ensure your financial records stay aligned with your actual banking activity. Now look for the section labeled Select the payments included in this deposit. Here you'll see a list of payments that are currently waiting in undeposited funds. Check the box next to each payment you want to clear. Be careful to select only the payments that were part of that specific real-life deposit. If your bank grouped several payments together into one deposit, make sure the same combination is selected here in QuickBooks. Before saving, take a moment to verify that the total deposit matches your actual bank deposit exactly. This is one of the most important parts of the process. If the total in QuickBooks doesn't match what your bank shows, it can cause issues during reconciliation and make it harder to track down errors later. Once everything looks correct, click Save and New if you need to enter another deposit, or click Save and Close if you're done, and that's it. Recording the bank deposit correctly will clear those payments out of undeposited funds and keep your QuickBooks records in sync with your bank statement.